For the first time, Ukrainian drones are striking Zhukovsky Airport in Moscow. Ukraine launched a massive drone attack on several Russia's regions overnight, including Bryansk, Moscow, Tula, Kaluga, Belgorod, Kursk, Oryol, Voronezh, as well as the Krasnodar Krai region. Russia's defense ministry claimed that 144 Ukrainian drones were downed overnight, potentially ranking it among the largest strikes throughout the war. The highest number of drones, 72, was reportedly downed over Bryansk Oblast, followed by Moskow Oblast, 20, and Kursk Oblast, 14. Some Ukrainian drones flying towards Zhukovsky Airport in Moscow struck residential high-rises, like due to electronic jamming. Russia should withdraw from Ukraine.
Высоковольтная. Дом рядом.
Russian Air Force is indiscriminately bombing residential homes in their own Kursk region liberated by Ukraine. Russian family is killed in Sudzha.
Обычные одноэтажные дома Суджи. Ну, и, собственно, без любви, без жалости русские хуячат собственное село.
FPV drones successfully struck Russian equipment on a road in the occupied part of the Donetsk region. Look at all that carnage. Ukrainian soldiers from the 3rd Assault Brigade successfully targeted Russian armored vehicles, specifically T-72 and T-80 tanks, in the Kharkiv region. Both tanks sustained damage to their turrets. Additionally, they used FPV drones to destroy 5 Russian trucks, hitting 3 while they were moving. After emptying his clip, a Russian soldier successfully destroys an enemy drone by throwing his AK-74 at it. They need shotguns. The Russian world. Ukrainian forces haven't yet reached the village of Glushkovo in Kursk region, but it has already been looted by locals after the evacuation. Even phone shops and pharmacies weren't spared. It seems they'd rather take what they can for themselves than leave anything for outsiders, right?
Предотвратить проникновение в полевом месте. И тоже мегафон. Я не захожу, ну, отсюда смотрю. Пятерку там тоже прихватили.
A Russian complains that a Russian-made car broke down an hour after he bought it.
Час назад купили «Газель», новую абсолютно, вот пробег. Новая машина. Купили, час на ней проехали. Перестала первая передача включаться. Звоним в салон, говорят, пригоните, наверное, кулису надо подкрутить. Ёбаный ваш рот, блядь. ВАЗ, ГАЗ, ПАЗ, ЗАЗ, МАЗ, КРАС. Вы заебали народ, блядь. Сделайте нормально машины, блядь, пидорасы.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.